Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're bringing you the best electric bikes under budget, offering great performance, reliability, and efficiency without breaking the bank. Whether you need an e-bike for commuting, off-road adventures, or casual rides, we've got something for you. We'll be covering models with long battery life, powerful motors, and comfortable designs to enhance your riding experience. Ready to find the best budget-friendly e-bike? Let's dive in. And as always, all the product links are in the description below.
Number 5 Electric Bike Co. Model A. The Electric Bike Co. Model A sets a new standard for utility electric bikes, offering unparalleled versatility and performance. With its innovative design and top-notch components, the Model A is ready to tackle any urban adventure. Lifestyle street cruiser, the Model A combines style and functionality, making it the perfect companion for city streets. Powerful motor. With a maximum speed of 28 miles per hour, the Model A delivers swift acceleration and effortless cruising. Long range. Enjoy up to 50 miles on a single charge, backed by a 5-year battery warranty for peace of mind. Durable construction. Built to last, the Model A boasts a 10-year warranty on both the motor and frame. Cargo capabilities. Equipped with a modified headset and HD mic rear rack, the Model A can easily carry extra cargo without compromising steering. Number for Aventon Soltera. The Aventon Soltera is the perfect blend of budget-friendly pricing and exceptional performance in a sleek city bike style. This Class 2 electric bike may not be the most powerful, but it effortlessly reaches its top throttle and pedal-assisted speed of 20 miles per hour, efficient power usage, and a robust range. Thanks to its 346 Wh battery capacity, make the Soltera an outstanding choice. With 700 wheels and tires, it offers a swift and responsive ride, and despite its sporty demeanor, it provides a comfortable cycling experience. The battery's clean integration into the downtube, integrated lights, and multiple frame sizes and colors cater to a wide range of rider needs and preferences. Number 3 Ride1Up Turris. The Ride1Up Turris is a powerful adventure touring-style electric bike that redefines your cycling experience. With its combination of speed, motor prowess, comfort, and versatility, the Turris is your perfect companion for both leisurely rides and thrilling adventures. The Turris is no ordinary epic. It falls into the Class 3 category, boasting a remarkable 28 miles per hour pedal assist and a swift 20 miles per hour throttle. The heart of this speed demon lies in its powerful 750W geared hub motor, generating an impressive 60 Nm of torque. Whether you're navigating city streets or conquering off-road trails, the Turris is ready to deliver the speed and power you crave. Impressive range. Range anxiety is a thing of the past with the Turris. Depending on various factors such as rider weight, terrain, incline, and level of assist, this epic offers a range of 25 to 45 miles on a single charge. Now, you can explore without worrying about running out of juice. The Turris is designed to keep you on the move. Comfortable design. Ride1UP understands the importance of a comfortable riding experience, and the Turris delivers just that. Its lightweight alloy frame not only ensures durability, but also houses internal electronics securely. The frame geometry and components are meticulously crafted to provide the most comfortable ride ever. With an upright riding position, you'll be at ease during your entire journey. Easy assembly. While some epics can be a hassle to assemble, the Turris is designed with user-friendliness in mind. Number to Electric XP 3.0. The Electric XP 3.0 is here to redefine your biking experience. Building upon the success of the award-winning XP 2.0, this electric bike takes innovation and performance to new heights. With a host of upgrades, including a quieter motor, increased torque, hydraulic brakes, and advanced suspension, the XP 3.0 offers a ride like no other. The electric XP 3.0 is packed with enhancements that set it apart from its predecessors. The new and improved design features a quieter motor that still packs a punch, increased torque for swift acceleration, and hydraulic brakes for precise stopping power. These upgrades are a testament to Lectric's commitment to providing the best riding experience. Optimal gearing for speed. One of the standout features of the XP 3.0 is its optimized gearing, making high-speed riding smoother than ever before. Whether you're cruising down urban streets or exploring open roads, this epic ensures a comfortable and exhilarating journey. Accessory compatibility. The XP 3.0 is designed with versatility in mind. It's compatible with sought-after accessories such as the Yep seat and a passenger package that can accommodate riders weighing up to 150 pounds. This adaptability allows you to tailor your bike to your specific needs and preferences. Robust build quality. The first impression of the XP 3.0 is its solid and sturdy construction. Crafted with thick aluminum tubes and robust welds, the frame ensures excellent build quality and durability. The secure latches on the frame and stem hinges come with trigger locks to prevent accidental releases, enhancing your safety on the road. Number 1 Electric XP Light Electric Bike. Are you in search of the perfect electric bike that combines convenience, power, and versatility? Look no further than the Electric XP Light Electric Bike. Designed for adults, this folding epic offers a plethora of features that make it an excellent choice for various riders, whether you're a college student, a hiker, a city dweller, or a grandparent looking for a convenient way to get around town. One of the standout features of the Electric XP Lite is its impressive lightweight design, weighing in at only 46 pounds. This makes it incredibly easy to carry and transport, especially for commuters who may need to take it on public transportation or store it in tight spaces. Its folding design allows for hassle-free storage, making it a perfect choice for those with limited space. Powerful performance. The Electric XP Lite boasts a robust 720 West of peak power, thanks to its 300 West motor. Whether you prefer to pedal manually or use the pedal assist feature, this electric bike provides an extra boost to your ride, allowing you to reach speeds of up to 20 miles per hour. The 5 pedal assist levels provide a customizable riding experience, making it suitable for riders of all skill levels. Versatile terrain capability. This epic is built to tackle diverse terrains with ease. Whether you're riding on concrete, gravel, grass, or dirt, the Electric XP Lite handles it all effortlessly. Additionally, its water-resistant electrical components are rated IP65, ensuring that you can confidently ride through light rain and puddles without worrying about damaging the bike's essential parts. User-friendly design. The Electric XP Lite is designed with simplicity and accessibility in mind. There's no need to worry about complicated assembly processes, just unfold it and go. The 48-volt 7-volt battery, which powers this electric bike,